Hi, so these are the codes for May 2025 multiple choice questions to study for your exam. I have put together some questions of my own for the NCE, CPCE, and National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam, and I've added some new questions on here. So take a look and let me know what you think in the comments about them and anything else you might want to see. All right, so happy studying, and these codes as well will expire on May 31st. So make sure you like and subscribe to get a notification when new codes come out. So as you see here, we have paradoxical interventions, honor Freud's defense mechanisms, intake and assessment diagnostic, research, mixed theorist, career codes, uh, case study questions group, ethical decision making, as well as the practice test. So happy studying. I hope these codes can help you facilitate your study habits. And then let me know if you have any questions. As always, happy studying.